Hey everyone, it's 2025, you just graduated and you're ready to land your dream job, right? There's just one problem. That little thing called experience. You know, the thing every employer wants, but no one wants to give you the chance to get. Listen, I've been there. Fresh out of high school, I was trying to figure out how to make my resume stand out when I had zero experience to put on it. It felt like a catch-22. You need experience to get a job, but you need a job to get experience. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to write a CV that'll make employers drool, even if you've never had a real job before. We're talking actionable tips, real-life examples, and strategies that actually work in 2025. Stick around, because this is the only video you need to watch. The first thing you need to do is shift your mindset. Stop focusing on what you haven't done, and start thinking about what you can do. You've got skills, my friend, even if you don't realize it yet. Think back to your school years. Were you the go-to person for group projects? Boom! That's teamwork and leadership right there. Did you ace those presentations? Hello, communication skills. Even if it's just managing your crazy family schedule, that's organization and time management. And don't forget about all those late-night study sessions where you taught yourself complex concepts. That's problem solving and self-motivation, my friend, and those are highly valuable in the workplace. Don't underestimate the power of transferable skills. Employers want to see that you're capable, adaptable, and eager to learn. So dig deep and showcase those skills. Remember, your CV is not just a list of past jobs, it's a highlight reel of your abilities and potential. Okay, so you haven't climbed the corporate ladder yet, but guess what? You've been climbing the academic ladder, and that counts for something. Your education section is prime real estate on your CV, so make it shine. Don't just list your school and dates, get specific. Mention relevant coursework, especially if it aligns with the jobs you're applying for. Did you win any awards or scholarships? Shout it from the rooftops. High GPA? Let them know. Even high marks in specific subjects relevant to the job can give you an edge. For example, if you're applying for a marketing internship and you aced your marketing class, that's definitely worth mentioning. It shows you have a solid foundation and a genuine interest in the field. Remember, your education section demonstrates your commitment to learning and your ability to excel in a structured environment. So, don't be shy, flaunt those academic achievements. Alright, let's talk about those side hustles and passion projects. This is where you can really set yourself apart from the competition. Have you ever freelanced, built a website, volunteered for a cause you're passionate about? These experiences might not be traditional jobs, but they show initiative, creativity, and a willingness to go the extra mile. In today's job market, employers are looking for candidates who are passionate and proactive. So if you've got a side hustle that showcases your skills and drive, don't be afraid to include it on your CV. Even if it's something as simple as managing your own social media accounts, that demonstrates digital literacy and an understanding of online marketing, valuable skills in today's digital world. Remember, your CV is a blank canvas and you're the artist. So paint a picture of a well-rounded, driven individual who's not afraid to hustle. Let's talk about the power of volunteer work. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I'm not getting paid for that. Why should I include it on my CV? Here's the thing. Volunteering is a huge resume booster. It shows that you're a team player, you're passionate about making a difference, and you're willing to donate your time and energy to a cause you believe in. Think about it this way. Would you rather hire someone who spends all their free time binge-watching TV, or someone who's out there volunteering at a local soup kitchen or animal shelter? Employers want to see that you're well-rounded and invested in your community. Plus, volunteering often involves valuable skills like teamwork, communication, and problem-solving, all things employers look for in potential candidates. So, if you've got volunteer experience, don't be shy about highlighting it on your CV. It might just be the thing that sets you apart from the competition. You've got the content down, but now it's time to talk about presentation. Remember, your CV is the first impression you make on a potential employer, so you want to make sure it's polished and professional. First things first, ditch the funky fonts and crazy formatting. Stick to a clean, modern template with clear headings and easy-to-read fonts. Think Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman Classic and Professional. Organize your information logically, with your most relevant experience first. Use bullet points to highlight key skills and accomplishments. And whatever you do, proofread that CV like your life depends on it. Remember, a well-structured, visually appealing CV shows that you pay attention to detail and take pride in your work. It's like showing up to an interview in a well-tailored suit. It makes a difference. Here's the secret sauce, the real game-changer tailoring your CV for each and every job you apply for. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. Remember those keywords I talked about earlier? This is where they come in. Before you even think about hitting that apply button, take a good hard look at the job description. What skills and experience are they emphasizing? Once you've identified those keywords, sprinkle them throughout your CV. For example, if the job description mentions strong communication skills and you just so happen to have won an award for public speaking, make sure you highlight that experience. Remember, employers are looking for a perfect fit, and by tailoring your CV, you're essentially saying, hey, I'm the one you've been waiting for. So there you have it, my top tips for crafting a killer CV, even if you're fresh out of school and don't have a ton of experience. Remember, it's all about highlighting your skills, showcasing your potential, and tailoring your CV to each specific job. Now, I know it can feel overwhelming, but the most important thing is to just start. Get that CV out there, apply for those jobs, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. And remember, your CV is a living document. As you gain more experience, keep refining it, adding new skills, and showcasing your growth. You got this.